These are really big size. I think most of the products that are strange in size are GMO. That's for genetically modified, but who knows. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria, and in this video I want to show you snippets of life events in California so far. The current slang is dump, video dump. Let's get into it right away, and I hope you enjoy this one. Do remember to subscribe if you haven't. We are going to do grocery shopping haul. I'm in the kitchen right now, that's why I'm shooting this video. I was planning to come to the USA. One of the things I was really concerned about in terms of my adjusting here is the food. I was thinking about how am I going to get the right food, and I've done a bit of reading around food and how it affects how we think, how our body functions, how we basically do life. You might work out, you might use the best skin products and all those things, but if you do not watch what you put into your body, you might not get the desired results. So I was planning in advance. I didn't know what I was finding, like in terms of having a routine, having healthy meals. And you very well know Uganda is known to be a place of variety in terms of food. Like Uganda is such a rich and blessed country in terms of food. We have fresh farm products, we have the best food on the continent and in the world, if I may brag. I needed to first of all watch my spending, secondly watch what I'm putting into my body. So today I went to a market. I got fresh farm products. I've mixed a bit of protein mostly and fresh fruits. I didn't have to buy any kitchen appliances. Chicken. I want to say chicken. And then we have some kitchen. We have some chicken in here. You know that song of I got a boy who feeds me lobster pasta. Whatever, I'm gonna feed myself some lobster pasta. Yeah, we got some apples. I want to be making smoothies for breakfast and just probably eating apples whenever I can. I think most of the products that are strange in size are GMO. That's for genetically modified, but who knows? For now, I can tell by my eyes that they're fresh farm products. That's a good place to start. This country is very big on recycling, so this is a reusable paper bag. I'm going to be making meal-sized portions, so I need to show you what I got. Sorry, what I found in here. I have this box of Ziplocs. Packaging it the right way. So the thing is, when you freeze meat, this I learned from content I consume on Instagram. The cooking nurse talks about storing all these things, and she actually sells these if you're in Uganda. Our freeze-thaw system is not good, like you're switching up temperatures of the meals drastically. So what I'll do, if I know I'm preparing food for 2 days, I'll be portioning it that way in these Ziplocs and then sealing it very well and freezing it. So anytime I want to prepare, I'll just get like the package for that particular meal prep that I want to do. Instead of me having to order in or go and eat out every single time, I get to save on meals, and that also means I get to eat good food as opposed to eating the junk and everything that is out there, and the fast foods. So it is a good way for me to adjust to the US kind of living without missing out on basically having healthy meals, like a full circle moment of eat healthy, use good products, be happy. But I also love to eat out, so I'm not killing the culture of eating out. I'll be eating out if I can have meals prepared at home, maybe 4 times a week. Like I can eat out thrice a week, and then I space that out. Like maybe a Wednesday can be my cheat day, and then Saturday I go to like a fancy restaurant, then Sunday I can probably order in. Does it make sense? So I'm adjusting to having meals in San Francisco.
chilling with me and watching the video until the very end. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, I cannot wait to see you in my next video. So do remember to keep your notifications on for when a new one drops. Bye!